we have discussed exponential equations. Now we are discussing logarithmic functions. Properties I have discussed. Now let's discuss some questions based on those properties. So this is the question. If log x all divided by L plus m minus 2n is equal to log y divided by m plus n minus 2n is equal to log z divided by n plus n minus 2n, then find the value of x into y into z. Options are given these. So how will you solve this question? I am discussing just very basic questions now. After that we will discuss some more advanced level questions. So these three expressions are given equal, right? So if we equate this and this, this and this, or this and this, we will get three equations, but they will be more complicated to solve three equations. It's better to solve these three. We can take equal to something, another number. Let's say, let log x by L plus m minus 2n is equal to log y divided by m plus n minus 2l is equal to log z divided by n plus l minus 2n is equal to, let's say, k. We are assuming any number k and equate these respect to numbers, then we can write log of x by L plus m minus 2n is equal to k, log y divided by m plus n minus 2l is equal to k, and this expression log z divided by n plus l minus 2m is equal to k. We have equated this equal to this, this equal to this, this equal to this. Now we can find x from here. So this one is what? Log x is equal to k times L plus m minus 2n. Then from here, if you eliminate log by using this property, if log x base a is equal to b, then we can write x is equal to a to the power b. So from here, base is not written, so we can take here 10. So this will be what? 10 to the power k times L plus m minus 2n. Or let's say any base here, let's say base e is given. Right? Base e is, let's say, given. So base e, so it can be written as what? E to the power this number. Any base you can take, whatever. If base is not given, then you have to assume log 10. I told this one. So in the same way, from here, this can be written y is equal to e to the power k times what? m plus n minus 2l. And in the same way, z can be written what? Z can be written as e to the power k times n plus l minus 2n. Right. Now we have to find the product of these three numbers. So find out the product. So x, y, z will be is equal to e to the power k times n plus m minus 2n into e to the power k times m plus n minus 2l into e to the power k times n plus l minus 2m minus 2n. Right? Base is same in all three expressions. If base is same, then power will be added. So x, y, z will be equal to what? X, y, z will be equal to e to the power k times L plus m minus 2n plus k times m plus n minus 2l plus k times n plus l minus 2n. These all are e to the power something, right? Now we can multiply this. So x y z will be what? X y z will be e to the power k times, multiply this. So this will be what? kl plus km minus 2kn plus, multiply here. So km plus kn minus 2kl plus, this will be km plus kn minus 2kn. These are e to the power, and you see that this kl will be cancelled out by what? This one, kl plus kl will be 2kl, and it is given minus 2kl. See, in the same way, these all will cancel out. So this is equal to e to the power 0. E to the power 0 is how much? 1. So this is equal to 1. X, y, z is equal to 1. So this is the answer of this question. Now let's solve this question. If log 30 base 3 is equal to 1 by a, log 30 base 5 is equal to 1 by b, then you have to find the value of 3 times log 2 base 30. Right? So here the term is what? Log 2 base 30. So base is given 30. So first of all we have to make these in terms of base 30. So see here, how will you solve this question? This can be written as log of 3 base 30 is equal to a, and this can be written as log of 5 base 30 is equal to b. What is the property? Log of m base n can be written as what? 1 by log n base n. By using this property, we can write this is equal to this one, right? Now we can add these two, because we want input 2, right? So we add these two. So this will be log 3 base 30 plus log of 5 base 30 is equal to a plus b, right? And what is the property of log m plus log n? Log m plus log n is equal to what? Log in bracket m into n. So use this property. Base is same, so this can be written as log 15 base 30, multiply 3 into 5, it will be 15 is equal to a plus b now, right? So this can be written as, we want to make this one log 2 base 30. So this can be written as log of 30. Here we can make 30 by 2 is equal to a plus b. And what is the property of this one? Log m by n base a is what? Log m base a minus log n base a. So use this property again here. So this can be written as log 30 base 30 minus log 2 base 30 is equal to a plus b. And I told this one log a base a is equal to what? 1. So this is equal to 1 minus log of 2 base 30 is equal to a plus b, right? So solve this one, find out log 2 base 30 from here. So this will be what? Log of 2 base 30 will be how much? Take to this side and these two terms left hand side. So it will be 1 minus a minus b, right? You have to find 3 times, so multiply both sides 3 times. So 3 times log of 2 base 30 will be equal to what? 3 times 1 minus a minus b. So this is the answer. That means first is the correct option of this one. Now let's solve this question. Log of 1 by root 8 base 1 by root 2 is equal to log of 4 to the power x plus 1 base 2 into, these are given in product, right, into log of 4 to the power x plus 1 plus 4 base 2. Then this is the given value. So we can simplify. How will you solve this question? These are given in terms of what? Base 2. So we can make these values in terms of base 2. Right? So this can be written as log of 1 by root 8 base 1 by root 2 can be written as what? Log of, this will be written as what? 8 to the power minus 1 by 2, and this can be written as 2 to the power 1 by 2. I am simplifying left hand side first. So this will be equal to what? Log of 8 can be written as what? 2 to the power 3. So this will be 2 to the power minus 3 by 2, and this is 2 to the power minus 1 by 2. Now this will be equal to how much? Minus 3 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2 log of 2 base 2. Right? Using this property, log of m to the power n, a to the power b is equal to what? N by b log of m base a. By using this property, I have written value of this one. This is what? N is what? Minus 3 by 2, and b is what? Minus 1 by 2. So this will be what? N by b. Now simplify this value. So this can be written as what? This is equal to how much? 3 times 3, and log 2 base 2 will be how much? Will be 1. So value of this one left hand side is what? Basically 3. So let's say this is equation 1. So from equation 1, left hand side is 3 is equal to, this is written as 2 log base 2 4 to the power x plus 1 into log of base 2. This can be written as how much? 4 to the power x into 4 plus 4, right? And 4 can be taken common. So this will be 3 is equal to log of 4 to the power x plus 1 base 2 into log base 2. If you take 4 common, so it will be 4 times 4 to the power x plus 1, right? And now use the property what? Log m into n will be equal to what? Log m plus log n. So this is equal to 3 is equal to log of 4 to the power x plus 1 base 2, and this can be written as how much? Log of 4 base 2 plus log of 4 to the power x plus 1 base 2, right? And this will be written as what? 4 is written 2 to the power 2, and use the second property. What is the second property? Log m to the power n base a will be equal to n times log of n base a. So this will be equal to how much? 3 is equal to log base 2 4 to the power x plus 1, and here it will be 2 plus log of 4 to the power x plus 1 base 2, right? Now we can substitute values. Now let log of base 2 4 to the power x plus 1 is equal to t, right? Substitute here. So from here it will be what? 3 is equal to t, this will be t, and inside it will be how much? 2 plus t. This will be 2 plus t. Now simplify first quadratic equation. So this will be how much? T square minus 2t minus 3 is equal to 0. So solve this quadratic equation. This will be how much? Use quadratic formula. This will be 2 plus minus of under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2. So this will be 2 plus minus this will be 16. 16 root is 4. So this will be this one. So t will be how much? Find out the value of t. So t will be 3, or if you take plus sign it will be 3. If you take minus sign it will be what? 2 minus 4 it will be minus 2 divided by 2 it is minus 1. So what is the value? What is the value of t? This one. So log of 4 log base 2 4 to the power x plus 1 will be equal to 3, or log of base 2 4 to the power x plus 1 is equal to minus 1. Right? Both values, put the value of t, this one. So simplify this. So from here will be what? From here 4 to the power x plus 1 will be equal to 2 to the power 3. Or from here 4 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power minus 1. So from here it will be how much? 4 to the power x will be 7, or from here it will be how much? 1 by 2 minus 1. It will be how much? 1 by 2 minus 1 is it will be minus half. This is base is positive. So left hand side in this equation, left hand side can never be what? Negative value for any value of x. So this cannot be possible. So this is from here, this cannot be possible. So 4 to the power x will be how much? This will be 7. So x will be how much? Log of 7 base 4. Right. One thing here, it is what? T square plus 2t. There is a mistake here. This will be t square plus 2t. So solution will be t is equal to what? Minus 2 plus s1. Minus 2 plus s1. If you take plus sign, it will be how much? It will be 1. It will be 1, or if you take minus 6, minus, then it will be minus 3. So this one will be, this solution will be what? T is equal to minus 3 or 1, not this one. So this one will be how much? 2 to the power minus 3. So this one will be 2 to the power minus 3 is what? 1 by 8 minus 1, it will be minus 7 by 8. And this cannot be possible. This cannot be possible. So from here, it will be, what will be the solution? 4 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 2. So 4 to the power x is equal to how much? It will be 1. And 4 to the power x is equal to, it can be written as 4 to the power 0. That means x is equal to 0. From here, it is coming what? Negative value. And 4 to the power x cannot be give negative value. So though there is no solution from here, only solution is coming from x is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the quadratic equation coming. 3 is equal to t times 2 plus t. Now you have, if you solve this one, it will be here plus sign, not minus sign. So t will be giving these two values 1 and minus 3. Okay, so put these values minus 3 and 1, solve this. We are getting only solution x is equal to 0. Right. Now you have to check the answer also. If you put x equal to 0 here, if you put x equal to 0, you will get what here? 1 plus 1, it will be 2. Log 2 base 2, it will be 1. Put here x equal to 0, it will be 4 plus 4. That means what? 8. And 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. So it will be 3 times log 2 base 2. So this will be 3. So left hand side is coming 3. Right hand side is also coming 3. So this is our final answer. This is the correct answer. Right. So the answer of this one is what? X equal to 0 only. Other answer is rejected. Now let's solve this question. 5 to the power log x base 10 is equal to 50 minus x to the power log 5 base 10. Right. So how will you solve this question? So this you can take left hand side. So it will be 5 to the power log of x base 10 plus x to the power log of 5 base 10 is equal to what? it is coming 50. Now I told you one property, a to the power log of b base c can be written as b to the power log of a base c. Right? I told this property. So using this property, if you take both sides log, it will be left hand side is equal to right hand side. That means this can be written as equal to this one. So b can, here it is what? This can be written as 5 to the power log x base 10 plus this will be written as 5 to, by using this property, 5 to the power log x base 10 is equal to 50. So this is what? This is 2 times 5 to the power log x base 10 is equal to what? 50. So this is equal to 5 to the power log of x base 10 will be equal to 25. So this is coming 5 to the power log of base 10 is equal to 5 to the power t. If base are same, then power will be equal. Right? So log of x base 10 will be equal to 2. That means x will be equal to 10 to the power 2. And that means x will be equal to 100. So this is the answer of this one. Right? You can take any base, not 10. If you take base e, it will come according to that answer. Right?